How to adjust brightness and contrast in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust brightness and contrast in CapCut. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store. Now search for the CapCut application. If you see an update option available, click on the update option to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open CapCut application. In CapCut, go to New Project and import the video that you'd like to edit. Or you can even select the project from existing projects. In the editing page of the CapCut, you will see an interface like this. From the timeline at the bottom, click on the clip that you'd like to edit. Now from the very bottom panel, swipe and select Adjust. Here you will be able to adjust various aspects of your video. Go to the brightness. Now if you swipe to the left, then the brightness will decrease, and if you swipe to the right, then the brightness will increase. Similarly, go to the contrast option. Again, the mechanism is exactly the same. Go right to increase and go left to decrease. Once you are done, tap on the stick icon. After that, you can export your video. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.